There they go right there. I know. $34. I knew it was 30 something.
Come on, boy, you go to the game.
See,
It's more than what you said, though.
yeah.
6.
Yeah, 6 of them. No, baby, I need the colorful ones. Hell.
That is close.
Oh, them 31. What? Why it say? Those 31. This say 34.
Yeah.
Oh, black. That's why, because that's the gray. Okay,
The
go
gray
ahead.
and black. You want
Okay.
31.
Okay.
Straighten it up, couple man. Thanks, man. Look at the motorcycle.
I like this doll house. That's cute. I like that. Cute. $59.77. $60. Okay, form style doll house. Okay, hello you guys. It is Monday, and got the Max, and put them down. We had to put some baking soda. He said, you know, put some baking soda. You order them down. He already put out the solution. He cleaned it up and sanitized it and all that stuff. So we let it before dry fully. It's fully dry. Now we're putting the Max down. I am, because Philly is sick. So I'm putting the Max down, and yeah, I got some of them all down sort over here, and then I'll move that stuff over here because I don't have time to wait for them to come and put. I don't know what they said that they was gonna put tile or something, but look, I've been left and moved by the time they put tiles and all that stuff down. But I need to get this area back to where I had it so the kids can come down so we can have our space again. I'm gonna rest for a second, y'all. My grandsons, they love put these down. I need to put some down when they come to school. But I will have to get like about 6 more packages because I have 2 more left and I got 4 to go. I have the mats down, all the mats down. We don't have the borders up yet. The mats are down. I have to start putting the containers back. Gotta wipe them down. And last time I had the mats down, they didn't go all the way over to that wall. So I got them all the way over to the wall. So what I'm gonna have to do is, hubby, he's got to cut this because I wanted to go all the way to the wall, so he has to cut it. But we have it up like that. You gotta get a box cutter. But Okay, I'm happy, y'all. So now I just have to start, you know, rearranging things and putting things back to how it was and all that good stuff. We're gonna mop the floors, we'll mop the mats again, and then just start sanitizing. At least we got the mats down, start getting stuff in.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
It feels so good to hear that, y'all. Woo! Okay, you all, everything is done. Everything back in its little rightful place. I'm just getting the theme together for this week, and I'm gonna start into tomorrow. So we're doing the all about teeth, my body and teeth, and all that good stuff. But just wanted to show y'all the end results. Everything went back. Thank God. It was rough, but God taught me through it. Y'all be blessed. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Like the video, share the video to get the awareness out there. And yeah.
My way.